Okay, that's so. Anish Tommy Jainav on ua, right? So ua, right? So on show bua, tua, milshan crua, okay? Madra rua, okay? Ura rua. We have kuukt, kluasa, okay, kluasa, slua, okay? We have sluisoid on nuacht, nuachton, agus fuin tua. Right? So bua is win, okay? Tua is an axe. Milshan crua is a like a chewy sweet. Madra rua is not, it's not a red dog, it is a fox, alright? So Madra rua is a fox. Ura rua is a red squirrel. Okay, kuok is a pigeon, right? Kluasa, so kluasa is ears. So slua is a family. Sluisoid is a shovel. On nuacht is news. Nuachton is a newspaper. And fuin tua is the countryside. So fuin tua, it means out in the wild, right? So fuin tua. Okay. So Tasha the Jainav, now ready on show. So you know exactly what you have to do here, fill in the missing words, okay, with the pictures. Agus Vishid egg lave on scale on show, Ias Gorga. Okay, so Anish, Tashiv egg fragger de Keshna, Bonaha on scale. So you're answering questions based on the story. So Ke Achuig Gadi on Shopa Piata. So who went to the pet shop? Okay, so we can go back to this first square here. So Ke Achuig, Kuig, Niamh, August, Liam, Godi on Shopa Piati. So we can just copy that straight away. They even give us the first word, sorry. So Kuig. Okay. So who is it again? Kuig, Niamh, August, Liam, Godi on Shopa Piati. Kuig, Niamh. Okay. August, Liam. Okay, Godi on Shopa Piati. Alright? So they've given you the start of each sentence, okay, except for the last one. So you should know what you're doing. So if it says K at Canig, you know the sentence has to start with Canig, because that's our verb, okay? If we have K at Canig here, what does our sentence start with? Canig, alright? What about K at Quer? So what does our sentence start with? Quer, doesn't it? K at Chuig. What does our sentence start with? Chuig. Caird a Chuir. So caird a Chuir. What's our sentence start with? Quer. Alright? So it's very simple, lads. The answer is in the question. So all you had to add in for here, so Chuig was here. So Niamh, August, Liam was the only thing we had to add in. Godi on Shopa Piati. All we had to add in was we had to get rid of this, okay, and we had to add in the names of the people in here. That's all we have to do. It's very simple. So what do you think you have to do here? K a Canig, Baula, August, Bia. Canig, and you fill in whoever's name was there, Baula, August, Bia. It's very simple, lads. The answer is already in the question. So all you have to do is try to find out where you put in your answer. And your answer is always in the text. Okay? So, K Canig, Paula, August, Bia. Can anyone see it anywhere? So, does it say Canig anywhere on our page? There, isn't it? So, Canig, Niamh, Paula, August, Bia. Our whole sentence is right there, lads. That's all you have to write down. Okay, very simple. And then the last thing is tá mé ag. So, seachtain na Gaeilge. So, what I want you to do is tóg fi Sean. So, take a video of yourself. Obviously, you have to say this sentence. So, tá mé ag. Now, what's our egg again? We know our egg is our ing words. So, tá mé ag immert soccer, right? Tá mé ag immert soccer. And you have to take a video of yourself outside. And you have to say tá mé ag immert soccer. And show yourself playing soccer. You could also say tá mé ag immert rugby. Okay? So, rugby is R-U-G-B-A-I fada. Now, what you can do is go on to Google Translate. Okay, so G-O-G, Google Translate. Okay, and then you click Irish in here, or yeah, you click English in here. So English. Okay, and over here you have Irish. So type in Irish. Okay, and it'll come up. Now, if I wanted to say playing rugby. Oh. Rugby. It says it here, egg, immert, rugby. So I'd have to add in here is tá mé ag immert rugby. Okay? So it's very simple. So tá mé ag immert rugby, and you just take a video of yourself saying that sentence. Tá mé ag immert rugby. What else can you say? Tá mé ag immert imaníocht. Tá mé ag ri. Tá mé ag snáb. So look up whatever you want to say you're doing. I want 3 videos from you, right? So 3 videos of you saying tá mé ag. Okay? Ooh. So tá mé ag. So you have to be doing something, lads, right? So tá mé ag. And you get 2 points for each video. 3 videos, 6 points. Right? Very simple. So all you have to do is tá mé ag and you're doing something. Okay?